What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Tony the Realtor. In today's episode, I'm going to take you into this house right here, 1610 5th Street in Maywood, okay? New construction, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. We'll look at the yard, we'll look at the interior. There is a basement, and then the bedrooms are on the second floor. Nice place though, so let's go inside. So for those of you that are not familiar with Maywood, or 5th Street on Maywood, that over there, okay, right over there, that's the 290. As you can see, 5th Street is a busy street, okay? So we do have a lot of cars passing by. I had to park on the side street over here, so I assume there's no parking in the front. So a garage, hopefully, and I haven't checked, but a garage is gonna be super helpful in this case. But that's the way this property looks. They're building another one right next to it, as I mentioned before, and there you can see, the progress. And then from here, we'll come over here and I'll put this over so we can take a look to see what's back there, right? It does look like there's a garage over there, so we will make our way to the backyard. But just for what it is, I did go inside already. It is a nice place. I turned on all the lights for you, and and on the corner over here, there's a church on the corner right there. So you have this house, you have this place, and then you have a church. So not bad. Quiet neighbors, right? Quiet neighbors is what they say. Okay, here we go. We got a nice deck. We have some power outlets here, pretty good. But let's go inside. All right, so right when you go inside, you're hit, of course, with all this space. Really nice. These couches are a good size, right? Good size sofa cushions and whatnot. Matter of fact, just because I care about the visuals for everybody that's watching, I'm gonna do this, I'll do that, then I'll come over here, pull up my pants so I look like I'm put together somehow, and this is the way this looks. Chilling on the couch, super nice. So a lot of space, right? I'm gonna come over and I'm gonna grab this. Okay, so now I'll walk this way and give you the spread over here. Okay, nice can lighting, of course. Stairway right here for the basement and the second floor where the bedrooms are. But you get hit with the kitchen, right in the face with the kitchen. I like that they put this table here, gives you an idea of what the layout could be if you bought the place, okay? Bathroom will be next, but let's take a look at this kitchen, okay? Nice kitchen. I do believe this is quartz. Okay, they do have a dishwasher over here, which is nice. Let's take a look at that. There is electrical in there, which is cool. And then we have these nice light fixtures, not bad. Okay, super neat. What do they go with here? This is a Smart Things. That's what it's called, Smart Things. The stove, at least Samsung. There you go, Samsung Smart Things. Okay. Here's the other side, along with the dishwasher and then the profile over here. Nice kitchen. The water's off though. New construction, right? They haven't turned the water on. Water's off. That will have to be on for, during your inspection, right? We have nice refrigerator. There's water in there, which is cool. There's a Modelo on the bottom. Shout out to Modelo. And there's a little juice in there. That'd be funny if I would have opened this and there was like hamburger meat. That would be crazy. But guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this kitchen. It is nice. The space that they have in the corner over here for wine is also pretty cool. And having this up here, I think, is a nice touch. It's smart that they did that. Really paints the picture. Okay, so let's go to the bathroom here, as you can see it. Okay, fancy. I've been seeing this light fixture a lot in the houses that I tour. This is a standout. I don't see that sink a lot. It is really wide, which I do enjoy that. So people, they're eating and they want to come wash their hands. This is where I think is the place that people would have to wash their hands the most often, because the kitchen's here, the dining room. You imagine if the holiday season people are eating, you could put a larger table here, but that does accommodate everybody rather nicely, okay? Before we go upstairs, okay, I do want to go outside to the yard, so we're gonna go hit up that yard really quick. Something else I'll point out here, next to the fridge, you do have this nice nook back here with one more 1-foot cabinet there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 doors at least, not counting 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 doors, right? Now let's go into the yard, okay? Nice sized deck. Okay, I do like that, nice sized deck. That garage is humongous, okay? That is a huge, it's very wide. The garage is very, very wide. 2.5 car garage, I would say at least, okay? Now, you'll see over here, they're fixing this place still, of course. And then if you turn this way, they're selling this place. I did see a lockbox outside of the door on this one, and I'm assuming it's because they're doing rehabs. It doesn't look that bad. It looks like they're doing some sort of work on it, really. But nice. And then here is the way this looks. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh, this door is nice too. It's a nice door. All right, we're gonna close this up, and we will go upstairs. Upstairs first, right? Let's go upstairs first. There I am. Hey guys. I'm gonna go upstairs first. Everything in here is solid, of course, because they just built it. When we get to the top, I am gonna show you this light. That's a nice LED light. Pretty cool. See that? That's fancy. Okay, so you come up the stairs. Right across the stairs, this is laundry, okay? I know because I opened it up already, okay? There's your laundry hookup. You have that there, okay? Easy, simple. That's the primary. Then here's the bathroom, but the first thing we'll do is we'll come in here and we'll take a look at bedroom number 1, okay? Twin size bed. If you really have to, you can do a full, but there are closets here. People are always eating me up online. Oh, you didn't show the closet, Antonio. You didn't show the closet. Let's see. I will show the closets in this video. Take a look at that. Self-closing closets, apparently. You know, an adjustment needs to be made to this, and I would ask for it during the inspection, you know. But that's decent sized closet. And over here we have another space, full size bed or twin. Twin, I would probably throw, along the wall over here, a twin bed this way, and then it'll leave some space over here for a dresser. You don't want to block off your vents and all that, because how else are you going to get the air? But because of the way the house is shaped, this is the windows you're going to get out of it, which is not bad, right? Here's a closet. Okay. Nice size closet. Okay, so now we'll take a look at the main bathroom upstairs, which is this one here. I do like this. What color is that? That's like a blue. That's like a blue. The water is off, as I mentioned before. So I can't check if the water's wet. The water's dry, everybody. The water is dry. But here is your tub. Okay, soaking tub, not bad. A lot of distance between the toilet and everything, which is cool. Usually, you see everything cramped up, but no, not here. Nice space, okay? Now, primary bedroom, we'll walk into it. On the left here, you have a closet with light, and over here you have a bathroom. So let's take a look at the bathroom. Really nice. You do have Jack and Jill's. You have a big giant mirror. Hey, how you doing? And then over here, a nice tall shower. cool. That's high. That's high enough, right? There's your knob. Turn this way, right across. You can run across naked and change if you had to, right? Oh, excuse me. Then you come in here and you change. Enough room to, in fact, walk in the walk-in closet, all right? Just who gets the space is what I want to know, okay? You could put any size bed in here. Definitely put any size bed in here, and you're overlooking the yard, okay? Oh, look at the neighbor's house. Let's see. There's the neighbor's house all the way over there. Hey, neighbor. In case you're the type of person to be looking at your neighbors, you got a perfect perching spot right here. Okay, and again, any size bed in here. Baseboard looks nice. Floor looks really good. You know, I didn't turn the lights on in here, huh? Silly me. Silly me. Didn't turn the lights on, but there it is. Got the fan going too. Not bad. Get it turned around here. Take a look at that again. Nice room. Okay, now we'll head downstairs. We're gonna head downstairs. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, right now is the time to subscribe. If you wanna find out how to list your house for sale, just reach out to me, let me know, ask me, let me know where your address is, and I'll give you an idea of what, what it's worth. If not, I'll have to pass by the house to really see it in person, and then we can figure that out, but Wow, so here is the basement. Looks good. You have a fireplace over there. You have these beautiful shelves. I'm willing to bet that's hiding piping, like the water shut off and all that, right? Okay. Do have a little bit of a storage area there. If I walk back, long basement, obviously the size of the house. I point that out because sometimes they go into houses and the basements downstairs are smaller area space than upstairs because of the layout. But check this out. Wet bar. You got a wine rack right here. Then you have a wine chiller at 41 degrees. That's cold, okay? Again, a wet bar, a couple of cabinets, a couple of drawers. Pretty cool. Pretty sure that's like a little closet, right? And then, let's see over here. Oh, so that you can get out. That's nice. And then over here, this is probably mechanicals. Yes, it is. Mechanicals, we got a light. Yep, brand new. Got your mechanicals here, all brand new, as it should be. And then there is your electrical panel. Pretty good. So guys, if you want to see more videos on the south side of Chicago, click on the left. I think the video best for you will end up over here, and then to subscribe, you just click in the corner. But I'm Tony the Realtor. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.